Hi guys, so today I'm back with another vending machine video. On my last video, I did 3 vending machines. I have more vending machines, but I'm going to do those in separate videos. So, like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more. And this video's, I give thanks to Nuclear Princess for making this. I'm inspired all from her, so go check out her videos. So let's just get started. So we have like a pull knob and turn little knob thing, and we have an open slot here. It's not the best, but nothing's in this slot, as you can see. And it just says 25-cent coin, buttons, and we have squishies and things. So, yeah, nothing cool on the back or the sides. So just basically all of this and stuff. So yeah. So we put a quarter in. It doesn't matter what coin. It doesn't even take money, but just for fun. And the coin does not come out because there's like a barrier where the coin drops. So basically you just pull this pull lever thing, and then you give it a tap or a shake, and put it back, and nothing's still in there, as you can see. And then you just turn this nozzle. I'll do it 2 times just to make sure. And now you have your prizes. We got like 3. Yeah, we have this like mini kite thing. I don't know, but it's pretty squishy. And we have this cookie. This is one of my very first squishies. And a orange. So if you would like to do something, if you would like me to show you my squishy collection, I have like a lot of squishies in this. So squishy collection. Like this video, and I will do it. Just leave a comment. So I'll do it. So yeah, hope you like this video. Oh wait, yeah, hope you like this video. So I'm gonna show you the mechanism now. So the prizes just are right here and things. This is the pull tab. So there's like a hole. Let me take the prizes out. There is a hole right here. You can see there's a hole right there. And if you put a prize right there, and then this thing, you just pull that lever thing. Pull it like that. Ooh. Pull it. And then it drops into the water bottle, and then you just flip it again, and then you just take your prize out. It's pretty simple, but it just took me about an hour, I think. So yeah, just want to put that out there. And to get your coin, I forgot. To get your coin. Oh, sorry guys. There's like a basket right here, and your coin just drops into the basket. Ah! It falls, but I put this paper so if it does fall, it can just go in the paper so it doesn't come here. So yeah, that's all for this vending machine. I might make more vending machines, or I have vending machines, but I'm going to show you that if you would like me to. If you want me to do something else besides vending machines, I will. I'll open up like buy bag or something. So yeah, my sushi package should be here in a while. It's going to take a while for it to come. So like this video, subscribe. Bye.